Hello everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I am here once again with my new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to attach two squares together. Okay, if you want to make a blanket or a bag with that by attaching squares, and if you want to make a cushion cover, as I told you in the last video that I am going to make a square with a polka dot. I'm going to make a cushion cover with the polka dots. Now I'm going to attach these squares together. One row I have already attached, so I'll be attaching one to this side. See how many colors I have made already. So one row I have attached this way, so second row I'll be attaching this way, and then to this way and this way are 9 by 9 3 by 3 squares are attached together. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to attach your squares together to make it a blanket or a plain space, like this plain piece of project, right? So first of all, as I told you, I have made these squares. I have arranged in whatever manner I feel like it looks good. So what I'm going to use is the 3.5 mm crochet hook and the acrylic yarn, because I'm going to attach with the base color yarn. So this beige color I'm going to use, right? So how to make these polka dots, I'm going to give the link of this polka dot square in the description box. Please do check in the description box about how to make these polka dots, okay, these polka dot squares. Now I'm going to attach these squares together. So first of all, attaching these two together, right? So either I can show to attach these also, so this will be more convenient for you to see, right? So taking both the squares together, okay, and use either of the sides. So what we are going to start with this chain to space till the chain to space. So taking the stitches. Now see, in this square, whenever you work, there is a V stitch, chain is formed on the corners, right? So this chain we are going to work. See, if I look at this is the right side. So when I look at this chain, this is the front chain and this is the back chain, or back loop, front loop, right? So in the both the squares I am going to work for the back loops only on this chains. So this is the back loop, this is the front loop. I'm not going to work in the front loop, I'm going to work in the back loops only. So both the squares I'm going to attach in the back loops only. So making a slip knot, right? So how to start? So first of all, see the corner we had two chains, right? So if we are going to attach like this, so this second chain or the chain to this side which is visible, the back chain only, pick this chain, and here also in this second square this chain which is near this side, attaching side. So take this from the front, back loop only. So we are going to work in the back loops only. It is a acrylic yarn only. So taking both the loops in my hook and then the slip knot, taking in the hook, pulling through both the back loops. It is attached, right? Keep it a bit loose, not a tighter one. So again this is the attaching side, right? I am going to keep my working yarn below both the squares, right? What I am going to do is taking one next in the next stitch the back loop in the hook. Now this side again, so this is your front first double crochet. So over there pick the back loop, yarn over and pull through all the all the three loops. Again pick the back loop from this side, back loop from this side, and yarn over. You have three loops already. Now pull through all the 3 loops. Pick up the back loop and the back loop this side, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, right? Again the back loop this side, a back loop this side, and then pull through. That means we are going to make a slip stitch by taking back loops of both the connecting sides. Okay, so making a slip stitch only. You can do with the help of a tapestry needle also, but this tapestry needle takes a lots of time, and this is much neat and clean type of work, I feel like. See, this kind of connection is created like this. So you have connected both the pieces. So in this way you have to keep on making slip stitches till you reach the first stitch of chain 2 of the corner. This first stitch here, first stitch here. Okay, so I am going to make it. Taking the back stitch or back loop of this side and back loop of this side, yarn over, pull through all the loops, a slip stitch. Again back loop, yarn over, pull through, back loop, yarn over, pull through. It's very easy, very beautiful, neat and clean. Your all the work will be connected so neatly that it looks beautiful, right? Back loop, yarn over, pull through, back loop, yarn over, pull through, back loop, yarn over, pull through, back loop, yarn over and pull through, back loop, yarn over and pull through. Now I have reached this first chain of chain 2 space, first chain back loop, first chain here this side, back loop in the hook, yarn over and pull through, right? So here if you want to end the work, chain 1 and as you finish it off like this. So cut the yarn, because I will be attaching with the other squares also, so I will be continuing with the attaching over here. So what I am going to do is, I am going to take my work like this, and then I will be continuing from here. See, when I made connection in first chain to this chain, so here again what I will be doing, so here the chain which is near to this double crochet, this back loop and this back loop of the chain which is near to your double crochet to the side, and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Okay, now on the top of double crochet, on the top of this double crochet, yarn over, pull through. Again it's very easy, only taking the back loops, yarn over and pull through, that is slip stitching. So in this manner your squares are connected. See, this line I have connected like this only. Okay, so in this way your this is a cushion cover. You can make as many polka dot squares and then attach them to create a blanket or a table mat also, or single piece. When you are keeping this like this square like this is your tea coaster. So there are many options available. So hope you like my video on connecting these polka dot squares together. So please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do write in the comment section how you like my videos. If you have any suggestions, please write your suggestions also. This keeps me motivating and help me learn my mistakes, and I'll do the best thing from my side. So please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for appreciation. Lots and lots of love. Thank you once again. God bless you.